Hi everyone, here we've got ASUS Zenfone 7 Pro, and let me show you how to turn off running apps on this device. So actually all we have to do is simply open the recents, and you can do it by tapping on the square icon right here. And as you can see here, we've got the full list of previously opened apps. If you would like to turn off only one of it, just find it and swipe it up, just like that. But if you'd like to remove all of them, just tap on clear all. As you can see, we just got back to our homepage, so let's enter the recents again. And here we've got no recent items, so it means that we successfully closed all running apps. So actually that's all. This is how to close background apps in your ASUS Zenfone 7 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.